What's up, everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's HELLLLLLO back at it again with another video. So in today's video we are doing the awaited by me the long awaited relaxer update. I relaxed my hair on the 2nd of February and today is the 15th, 16th or 17th of March, one of those days. So it's been a month and 2 weeks, I think, if I calculate it correctly in my head. It's been a month and 2 weeks of this video not coming. So today I washed and straightened and curled my hair. So I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to share with you guys my relaxer update, my first relaxer update of 20. Jeez. I've been relaxed for as long as I can remember, and of late I've been experimenting with my hair. Since last year I basically deserted my hair for like a year and a half, right? So coming into January 2024, I had all these plans and all these goals that I wanted to do with my hair, and I have been sticking to them to the T as of right now. I have been hot oiling my hair every single week. I shampoo and deep condition my hair every single week. I haven't been doing as much protein treatment because I haven't felt like my hair has needed it as much currently. I just recently trimmed my hair as I was straightening and curling it today. So going up to my relaxer on the 2nd of February, I had stretched my hair for 3 months. That is my new stretching sweet spot. Okay, that week of my relaxer, my scalp was extremely itchy and I knew I was gonna pay for it on relaxer day, but I really was not willing to wait another week basically to relax my hair. I was over it and done. I don't know if you guys have ever reached a point where your new growth is literally just like, it's fighting you. Your new growth is fighting you. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna go into this relaxer and I'm gonna take the punches as they come because I'm going to relax my hair anyway. Day of relaxer, I'm using the Dark and Lovely kit, Superior Moisture in regular strength. I section my hair out into sections and twists. I may have a video that I'll post for you guys to see basically how I prep my hair for relaxer day. I do just that, and comes time for me to set my 25-minute timer and apply the relaxer onto my hair. I managed to apply the relaxer onto all of my hair, and when it comes time to soothing it, that's about maybe 12 to 15 minutes in, my scalp starts to become tingling and itchy. And if you've been relaxed, if you are relaxed hair girly, if you've ever had relaxed hair, you know what that means and what that follows by burning. Right. So I was instantly like, I don't want to burn. I know I've been scratching my scalp, so I am prone to burning. Basically, I'm just gonna wash this relaxer off even though I'm not at my 25-minute mark. I knew this was gonna mean that my hair is gonna be under processed in comparison to the rest of my hair basically, but I was willing to take this chance because I really don't care much to over process my hair. But if I under process my hair, I know that with the next relaxer I can then just come back and, you know, touch on those areas again. But once my hair is over processed, there's nothing much you can do about it. And with the relaxer burn, I don't like those scalp scabs that come onto your scalp and they stick with your hair. No thanks. So I basically washed out the relaxer at about 15-minute mark. My hair was actually slightly under processed, but not as bad as I thought it would be because I'm usually keeping it in for 25 minutes and this was a 15-minute mark. I washed out the relaxer, I deep conditioned my hair, I moisturized and sealed it, let it air dry and just tied it up. I kept my hair like that for like 2 weeks, just taking it down to moisturize and seal and putting it back up. At around the 2-3 week mark, I then decided I'm going to do a mini protective style. I have pictures of it on Instagram. Basically just twist at the back and cornrows in the front. Because my hair was slightly under processed at the roots, it was still a bit, you know, not the easiest to look after, and you don't have that creamy crack slickness that comes with a fresh relaxer. So I'm like, you know what, let me just stretch this out and put a mini protective style. This will allow me just to drag it out and not feel tempted to re-relax my hair way too soon. So I put that style in my hair. I kept it in for about 3 weeks and the day before yesterday I started missing my hair, so I had to take down the protective style, girl. I know a lot of people can keep in protective styles for about 3, 6, 8, 12 months. Please, what is your secret? How you do that? How you do that, girl? Because every time I try, I just miss my hair so bad, and the more I miss my hair, the more I start to like I finicky at it. I'm like, you know, it's already looking bad anyway, like I might as well take it down and properly deep condition it. And you know, like if you keep your hair in too long, and you know, I start to like come up with scenarios in my hair that basically give myself permission to take it down my hair. And I thought it would be the perfect opportunity for me to then straighten my hair and do a relaxer update, since I didn't do one when I relaxed my hair. So this is the relaxer update. This is what my hair is looking like. My hair was giving earlier this afternoon, but I'm a mom and I had to wear a bonnet so that I could get the baby ready for bed. So now my hair is giving, it's flat. Now the hair is flat. But yeah, guys, this is what my hair is looking like. So a major thing that I'm suffering from with my hair is basically crown breakage over here. I don't know if it was due to stress, or the fact that I'm iron deficient, or the fact that I wasn't actually looking after my hair, but this is where my hair took a hit the most. I did record myself straightening this hair, so I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. Like the hair is like this long right here in the middle, and that is affecting basically the fullness of my hair at the back, because when you comb it down, it's now very uneven at the back. But all I'm doing is dusting my ends and just letting that grow out before I decide to cut it all off, because this year the aim is to retain as much length as possible with healthy hair. So my hair doesn't have split ends. The reason for the is not split ends, it's just that my hair is uneven. It's growing unevenly because of breakage, and I just want to see how far it can go. Okay. So let me give you guys a 360 of what my hair looks like right now. So this is a close-up. My hair is definitely getting fuller every single month. Like I'm just like, okay, the fullness is coming back, the fullness is getting back, it's getting there. And I'm about to get on some iron supplements because I am slightly anemic, and apparently that will also make a difference in my hair. I don't know, we shall see, because I do have like brittle nails, you know, and maybe it contributes to the breakage of my hair. But the breakage is definitely getting better because I'm moisturizing more. Anyway, I'm talking about, let me show you guys my hair. Let's do a mini 360. Okay, sa profile, sa profile, sa profile. And this is the back. This is what the back is looking like. Other side profile. That is my first relaxer update of 2024. Let me know down below, have you had your first relaxer of 2024? How did that go? Did it go as planned? How's your hair looking? Is it giving? Is it gold? I've been seeing a lot of relaxed hair ladies these days posting basically what their hair looks like on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and like chef's kiss. Okay, we are representing relaxed hair gold. You know, we are changing the stereotypes and the standards of relaxed hair, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I just think if you know a relaxed hair girly, just go comment on her video that your hair is giving, it's giving. I'm gonna put it in an accent, it's giving gold. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye, loves.